Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. If you are just tuning in for the very first time, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you so much for being here, and to all my returning subscribers, God bless you. You are amazing. Thank you for the constant show of love, especially during this Vlogmas period. Yes guys, so in this video I want to show you guys how I made this very easy homemade nut cake. So let me introduce you guys to the ingredients real quick. First of all you'll be needing is your flour, some powdered sugar. For this powdered sugar I blended it myself. That's why it's cakey. Powdered sugar technically is icing sugar. Yes guys, and you don't need to break the bank trying to get icing sugar. When you have sugar at home, just blend it. And then you need some salted butter. Of course, please guys, try to make sure it's salted butter. And the next thing here is our Kellogg's cornflakes crumbs. Please don't get breadcrumbs, guys. Kellogg's cornflakes crumbs is not hard, it's easy. You know, I don't know how to say, it just goes down well. And then some baking powder, of course our egg, and nuts. So this nut has a mix. It has almond, it has coconut, it has sesame, it has different seeds in it, you know, cashew nuts. I just decided to get it because it was affordable. I got it from Walmart, you know, not so expensive. It has all the nuts in it. It's just whatever you like, whatever kind of nuts, guys. There's no rule to it, okay? So this is our nuts here, guys. And then let me just show you guys, run you guys real quick to show you guys real quick how this is made. English. English, Nike. So you some butter in the bowl, and the next thing you're going to be doing here is turning in some icing sugar, which is our powdered sugar. Mix till you achieve your desired consistency. It has to turn, you see the batter turning white, then you know, okay, it's almost ready. And then some eggs. Yes, well, some eggs, just all depends. If you don't achieve that consistency, you can add one more egg, but one egg is enough. It just depends on the quantity you're making. So for this one, it was a small quantity I was making, so I just needed one egg. I didn't need more than one. But if you're making a lot, of which you don't want to make a lot, right? If you like stuff fresh. And then your flour goes in next. You mix. Your baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I don't use measurements, but for baking powder I will use measurements. And then some salt, and then mix, voila, it's almost done, guys. So once you've mixed it and you feel it's ready, you would know. You guys, you see it's all ready. So I have my cornflakes crumbs by my side, I have my nuts, and I have my dough already. So please wash your hands, guys, like wash your hands. Remember, you might not be eating this alone, so wash your hands. No matter what, wash your hands. Especially now that we have koro. So you put some nuts in there. I mean, you can be generous with the nuts. It all depends on you and how you like nuts, or however you want it. Like, you know, just guys, there's no rule. Just make yourself happy. The kids are gonna love this, guys, because it's so easy and delicious. It's tasty. You know, your friends, your family members, this is a very good holiday treat. Yep, you dump it in to your crumbs, cornflakes crumbs. Be generous with this too. This helps it achieve that beautiful golden look, you know, makes it look so beautiful, not just bare plain. Yes guys, this is what it should look like. And then all you're just gonna do is keep going on and on and on, and try to create some space in your pan. just so you don't overcrowd your pan.
Fast away the old year passes, la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and
You just keep on going on until you feel okay. Please guys, don't be like Nike. Put your oven on to set it on to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know, depends on your country though. Yes guys, but technically when you put it in the oven, you're only going to be baking for 13 minutes, 12 to 13 minutes. So yes guys, this is what it should look like before you bake it. You see how beautiful they look. Oh, so yummy. You guys can you will see the end results now. See how beautiful this looks. Ooh. Guys, do you see this? Our cake is ready. Look how gorgeous this looks. Our nut cake is ready. Guys, don't mistake this for a cookie. This is not a cookie, I remind you. It's a cake. Do you see how soft that is when you break it into two? You see how soft it is? You guys should wait and see. I'm gonna show you guys. You will see how it looks. Now do you see what the nuts look like in there? We Nigerians, we'll call it full stop, bus stop. You'll be having so many full stop and bus stop inside your mouth. You guys see how soft this looks? Voila, our cake is done. So guys, thank you so much for being here today and taking our time to watch my video. Thank you so much. Please consider hitting the like and the subscribe button. Have a wonderful Merry Christmas. Make this for your family and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.